Bad credit? No problem. Good credit? No credit? No problem.
No problem.
Hit it, boys.
What's up, guys? Are you in the market for a new or used ATV?
Hit it!
How about you hit the trails on a new dirt bike? Gas prices get you down? How about a new scooter? 110 miles per gallon. It's incredible. How about you hit the trails on a new or used utility vehicle? How about an electric bicycle for you and the family?
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay now.
Good credit, no problem. Looking for financing? No matter what your past history is, we can get you approved. Bad credit, no problem. Click the link below now and get instantly approved as low as 30 seconds.
Instantly approved.
We ship nationwide and we have full warranties nationwide. No credit check financing. 0% interest available. ATVs, dirt bikes, electric bicycles, beep beep, on a new scooter, UTVs. Good credit, no problem. Past history problems, not a problem.
No problem.
No problem.
Click the link below now and get instantly approved as low as 30 seconds. Have any questions? Give us a call, 904-693-1663. We want to welcome you to the Jaguar Power Sports family. Bye, guys.